Hello everyone! Today I'll be trying different filters to choose the right costume for coming Halloween 2023. I'm so excited. Let's get her! So the first one on the list is none other than Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic. It's fantastic. And the best part about Barbie is that you can be any Barbie. There's a President Barbie, Surf Barbie, 80s roller coaster Barbie. So choose your pick and recreate Barbie's look. Look who is hanging out with me in my room. Ariel from The Little Mermaid. You too can know the Mermaid Princess this Halloween with just a few items available on Amazon, like fox wig or the bikini top or mermaid tail costume, and then you're ready. Look who is next, Wednesday Addams. We all know that the Addams Family TV show was the biggest show of 2022. Except it came out in November, so many people didn't get the chance to dress up as her last year, meaning 2023 is the year of the Wednesdays. All you need is pretty ponytail wig, Wednesday costume dress, some Mary Jane shoes, and of course, Wednesday Addams' pink hat. And everything is available on Amazon for so less. I know it's early, but hear me out. Jigsaw from Saw X, which is going to be releasing on October 27 of this year, is perfect timing to dress up as a Jigsaw killer. And best thing about this look is the mask is half of the look, but you can add like some suit or gloves or bow tie or short spiky black wig to make it more perfect for the look. Look who is twerking on my bed. Mario! I'm sure Mario and Luigi from the Super Mario Bros. Movie is going to be on the rise this Halloween, even for adults. To complete their look, you'll need overalls, white gloves, and brown shoes. To go the extra mile, secure the hats in red and green, of course, and add some adhesive facial hair for mustache. And there you have it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video to the end. I have picked my costume, and that's going to be Wednesday Addams for sure. What's yours going to be? Do let me know in the comment section below. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye!